India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has successfully concluded his maiden visit for any top Indian leader to conflict-ridden Ukraine. It saw him holding bilateral talks with President Volodymyr Zelensky in Kyiv, which led to the signing of 4 important agreements. The leaders also came out with a joint statement where Prime Minister Modi assured the Ukrainian leader of India's all possible help to facilitate an early return of peace.
In a historic move, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi met Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky in Kyiv, marking the first ever visit by an Indian leader to Ukraine. The bilateral meeting held at the Mariinsky Palace, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi reiterated India's support for dialogue and diplomacy to restore peace and stability.
मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि मानवीय दृष्टिकोण से भी जिस प्रकार की मदद की आवश्यकता होगी, भारत हमेशा हमेशा आपके साथ खड़ा रहेगा और 2 कदम आगे चलेगा.
During his visit, Prime Minister Modi also toured the multimedia martyrologist exposition on children at the National Museum of History of Ukraine. Accompanied by President Zelensky, he was deeply moved. As a gesture of respect, he placed a toy in their memory and expressed his deep sorrow over the tragic loss of young lives.
हमने जो दूसरा मार्ग चुना, वो दूसरा मार्ग है युद्ध से दूर रहने का. हम बहुत ही कन्विक्शन के साथ युद्ध से दूर रहे हैं, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम तटस्थ थे. हम न्यूट्रल नहीं थे. हम पहले दिन से ही पक्षकार रहे हैं और हमारा पक्ष है शांति का.
Prime Minister Modi also paid homage to Mahatma Gandhi at his statue in Kyiv. He highlighted the enduring relevance of Gandhi's message of peace in addressing global challenges. Post bilateral talk, India and Ukraine also held a delegation-level talk, where leaders held discussions on trade, defense, pharmaceuticals, agriculture and education. India and Ukraine also exchanged agreements in the field of agriculture and food industry, cooperation in the field of medical product regulation, Indian humanitarian grant assistance for high-impact community development projects, and in the field of cultural cooperation. India is providing medical assistance to Ukraine, which includes indigenous portable hospital, Bhishma cubes and other medical equipments.
As of today, we have agreed on the 4 documents that will be signed during this truly historic visit between Ukraine and India. These are regarding the medical field, the agricultural cooperation, humanitarian dimension, and I am grateful for all of this, and I am happy to see you, Mr. Prime Minister, and glory to Ukraine.
Earlier in the day, the Indian community in Ukraine warmly welcomed Prime Minister Modi. This landmark visit symbolizes a significant chapter in the diplomatic relations between India and Ukraine. Bureau Report, DD India.